Will Normani ever stop getting compared to Beyonce? Well, I doubt that, especially after watching Normani's motivation video. So let me just say this, I don't think I'm a major fan of Normani. I like her doing her thing. I know that she's just 23 years old. She's coming from the group Fifth Harmony. I know she's pursuing her solo career, but so far everybody has just been titling her as the next Beyonce, the new Beyonce, the dark-skinned Beyonce. And I just want to believe that Normani is Normani. She's her own thing. And I don't like the Beyonce comparisons because I guess it's a good thing in terms of she's able to perform on stage and she has good stage presence. But beyond that, I feel like Normani is a powerhouse on her own. And when Nicki Minaj said that Normani is that biatch, she was actually right.
And Tiff, don't be coming for Fifth Harmony because Normani is that bitch.
First up, ignore the raggedy background. Yeah. Oh my God, there's like a bump right here. Oh my God, I'm getting a bump. Jesus Christ, look at that. Oh my God, I'm getting a bump. Look at that planet. This is Pluto, you know, this is where Pluto moved to. Look at that. Look at that. Normani's motivation video, I feel like it had a lot of inspiration from a lot of pop artists. I saw, you know, Beyonce, clearly, that was Crazy in Love, that opening scene. And I think Normani and her team did that deliberately just because people, you know, people are going to be talking about it. And then at some point in time, people were saying that this scene was inspired by Jennifer Lopez, but to me, I feel it was more Britney Spears. Hit Me Baby one more time.
My loneliness is killing me, and I must get you naked, but I won't tell them.
And then there was another epic choreography scene where she was on the streets with a male partner dancing, and this I was getting more Omarion. I think this reminded me of Omarion in Touch. Touch, bring it, burn, 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 and let it touch. I wanna groove and let it touch. You cannot groove and let it touch. And the rain scene, can somebody comment down below where this rain scene was inspired from? I saw a little bit of Ashanti, a little bit of Ciara, but I feel there is something else, especially the part where she looked up and you saw the drop of water, like, you know, hit her face. That is coming from a music video, but I just cannot put my finger on it. So do I believe that these Beyonce comparisons will stop? No, I don't feel as if it will stop. The same thing happened when Rihanna started out her career. People were chiming her as the next Beyonce, but at some point in Rihanna's career, Rihanna detoured and found her own niche and her own style and her own swag. And so now we look at them as two separate individuals. And I feel as if the same thing will happen for Normani. So let me know, readers, are you a fan of Normani? Do you think she is the next Beyonce? Did you really enjoy this motivation video? How much would you give it out of 10? Personally, I would give the choreography probably a 9 or a 10 out of 10 because I enjoy the dancing way more than I enjoy the song, but the song is still a banger. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, just go right ahead. It's just below here, and also to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, people, take care until next time. Below. Yeah, I know that was redundant, but I can't stop saying down below. It's just, you know, it's Australia, man. And if you want to see more videos all the time, just hit the notification bell so that you can get regular updates, as well as to subscribe if you're new. Subscribe. I want you to join the TheDuttyBerryShow channel. Okay? Why am I talking so decent? You know, because I feel as if I might have 1 or 2 little foreign people watching this video. So hola, I'm from Jamaica. If you are here, welcome. Iron Man, Bob Marley, Usain Bolt. What else? Aki and Saltfish, Patois, Shaggy, Sean Paul. All right, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Take care.